Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Today, I want to share croquettes. Croquettes are small rounded balls made with vegetables, meat, ham, or fish, coated with breadcrumb and deep fried. There are many variations of croquettes in the world, and just about every culture has developed their own recipe. In Japan, we have our own version of croquettes, which is called korokke in Japanese. Japanese croquettes are usually made with mashed potatoes and minced beef, coated with panko breadcrumb and deep fried in vegetable oil. I love the crunchy crispy layer and fluffy mashed potato on the inside. They're often served at lunch or dinner with side dish like a salad. Japanese croquettes are so popular that you can find in everywhere, like at the corner of supermarkets or in shelves of convenience stores. But the taste of homemade croquettes really is beyond comparison. 今日は牛肉のコロッケを作ってみたいと思います。Okay, so let's get started. Potatoes. Let's make mashed potatoes. Cook the potato in salted water until tender. While I'm waiting for my potatoes to be cooked, I will finally chop my onion and carrots. Add vegetable oil to a pan and add the vegetables. When the onion is transparent, add minced beef and stir. Season with pepper and salt. Add the beef mixture and stir until combined. Let's coat with wheat flour, egg, and panko breadcrumbs. If you want to know how to make homemade panko breadcrumbs, there is a separate video. There is a link in the description below. Heat the vegetable oil to 170 and let's deep fry until crisp and golden brown. Now the croquettes are complete. Serve on a plate and enjoy your fresh croquettes straight away. Croquettes are traditionally served with Worcester sauce. On this channel, I share about authentic Japanese home cooking and information about delicious local foods from Japan. So if you love Japan and want to learn about our local foods in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I share a range of Japanese sweets called Wagashi and share on my Instagram. You can search for @Miss Wagashi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!